po ay race. But it's not all about winning. It's about experience. What we experience in this race, we will learn from it. Win or lose, panalo po kayong lahat.
Kamusta ang swim leg natin, ma'am?
Well, okay lang naman, pero super alon talaga.
Anong challenge?
Yung hangin po.
Yung hangin. Kasi yung run leg natin, diretso lang po, yung longest boulevard lang talaga. Pero ang kalaban naman nila ay yung hangin.
Ulitin namin to next year.
Alin dun sa tatlong legs ang pinaka-challenging para sa'yo?
Swim po kasi laki ng alon.
Pinag-preparean talaga namin yung heat retraining po. Yung kakakala po namin yung dagat ngayon, kalma. Eh mali yung napag-training namin. Kaya ngayon, nagulat na naman kami. Kumbaga, challenging talaga.
Thank you very much to all of the sponsors there, including Khmer Republic Cement and MMJ Trading. Looking forward, we will continue to support.
Let us keep supporting po Republic Cement para sa susunod na mga years, mas malaki yung maitulong nila. Sabi ko nga, race namin lahat to. Hindi ito race ko, race ng team, or race dito ng buong Camp Norte. And true enough, di tayo pinahiya ng swim course. Talagang the toughest swim course in the Bicol region.